Welcome everyone. Welcome to the amazing world of 꼼지. Where's Law? Well, and Law. Okay, so today, as you're seeing, we're making a muffin today.
Yummy, 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 muffin.
Do you mind if you can explain the next thing?
Okay. We need egg, 2 eggs. 2 eggs. And a nut from our house.
Yeah. So you might want to add a topping to your muffin, so you can add some nuts or fruits.
And a muffin mold.
Muffin mold?
Yeah. And a butter.
Yeah, it's melted butter, and you need about, let's see, 50 grams of it. And it needs to be melted, okay?
Wow.
And 80 milliliter of milk.
Milk or water?
It could be water or milk.
Yeah.
And it's fine if it's also almond milk.
And a muffin. What was this?
This is a muffin mix, the main ingredient for today.
Yeah.
Hooray!
Okay, and
This is called a paper foil. You'll need one. And a mixing bowl.
ooh.
And a hand mixer. And also an electric mixer if you have one. Okay, so I think that's all of the ingredients we need.
Now
So the next step, let's see. Cracking an egg. We need to crack an egg, which is a very hard thing. Because last time I was cracking an egg and I spilled the half of it on the table.
What?
Yeah, I hope that doesn't happen again.
Yeah.
I can't do this.
I will try it. It doesn't work.
Don't you think about it.
Stop it.
It's egg exploded. Anyway, you did it. Great job.
Wait. It didn't go on. Wait.
Okay, just put it on.
My hand
It's okay.
Wait, my hand is dirty. Wait, a tissue.
A tissue. Oh, great.
You
I'm
can't.
doomed.
Okay, I'll do it. Wait.
Wait, no. Wait. At least the triple didn't happen again. But I still did it.
Wait. This is really fun, you guys.
This is what you call an egg explosion. So next we're going to put the milk in. So you are supposed to put water or milk in, but we're using almond milk, and Locke will show how to put it in.
Uh-oh.
I mean, it's obvious. You just put it in.
Put it.
Yeah, you just pour it in. What is it?
Done.
Okay, now we'll just mix a bit with this mixer.
No, not
We're
this.
Yet.
This.
No, we're not using this yet.
This.
Not yet.
This.
We're doing this softly, not so hardly, and not so much. Okay, do you want to?
Yeah.
Because I'm pretty
Bad.
No, it's this way.
This way?
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I
I'm
think
bad at that way. I'm bad at it. I'm bad at that way. I'm good at it.
Yeah, you're pretty good at it. But everyone can't see it.
Aww.
Anyway, but we're still mixing, so just if you got that. Okay,
That was really hard.
Okay, so next we need to put 300 gram of muffin mix in. So this is exactly 300 grams. So we're going to open this.
Wait.
It says
I know. Wait.
put
Hey,
300 gram of
wait.
muffin.
I'm not talking about when you do like this and then it will spill like.
Yeah, I know. So I'm just like ripping a bit of it.
Stop shaking it. I'm not shaking it. Open it.
Yeah, open it. Just a bit, not too much. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Now put it in.
Yeah. Okay, let me just hold this part.
Wait. Look at this. A snow is coming up. The snow is coming. Wait. We need to do more, hey.
Okay, just put more. Anyway, just put it in. It's okay. Because we're just going to put all of them in.
Hey, my hand.
What are you doing?
Wait. Hey, can you hold this?
Sure thing, boss.
I'm her boss.
No, I'm your boss. I think that's it. Did you put all of them in?
Over here in a second. Wait. Yep. Done.
And then we're going to put butter in.
We need.
I'll just get a spoon.
Wait. I'll do it. Wait a second, please.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, you're pretty fast. Can I put it in?
Okay, here.
Okay. So
Be careful.
remember, before you put it in, the butter should be melted.
Yeah.
No! It's time for mixing! I give this to you, Love!
Thank you.
Do you even know how to? Oh, you know how to use it. Stop!
Okay, now let's just.
That's
stop.
enough.
Wait.
You don't need to do that.
Wait.
Okay, now it's mixed.
We need to put it in. Okay.
Hey, we're actually doomed.
Why?
I'm not really sure if we need to put it in the paper one first or this one first.
We can do this two of here, right?
I think we're supposed to.
Yeah, it's right.
Okay, put this one in first, and then after the muffin is done, put it in here.
No, we can put this two in here. Wait, I'm gonna have a spoon here. Bye.
You brought the spoon?
Yeah, here.
Why are you dancing? Okay, so our next step is to put these muffin molds into the, what's it called? The bigger ones.
Yeah.
I'll just call it like that.
Two.
Wait! I forgot something.
What?
This is a tray with a paper foil on it.
Okay.
Needed to put the muffin in the oven.
Okay, now let's put it in this. Okay, so we need to put this much in.
So we're just going to fill about half.
Yeah.
Not all the way up, or like it will spill in the oven.
Yeah. So
Oh,
let's
that would
do
be
it.
not good. Time for nuts. Time for nuts. Time for nuts. So we're going to put some nuts on the unbaked muffin. So some of these muffins are brownish, and that's because we tried putting some cocoa powder on it, and maybe it might turn into a chocolate muffin.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have these nuts, and we're going to put it on here.
Here.
Oh, thanks.
Now let's put it in. But don't do so many because then we can't do another one. Right?
Okay, so we just put those wonderful muffins in the oven, and while the muffin is getting baked, we are going to make whipped cream. So you can buy the cream in
Denmark.
what?
Denmark.
Oh, where what? In a mart.
Yeah.
So you can get ready with one of these, and then we're going to use 1 spoon of sugar to make it, and this cream.
Yeah. Now I will try it. First, put this in, and then.
Okay, so the muffins are out of the oven and the whipped creams are ready. So we're going to decorate these muffins with the whipped creams and put a strawberry on it or some sprinkles.
Okay, now we just do like that. I already did it for you. I'm gonna just do not nice. Not nice.
Why?
Because I'm bad at drawing. You know, you saw it because you're my sister.
Drawing skills are not really related to putting whipped creams on stuff. It's like Christmas?
Yeah. Merry Christmas. This is mine and this is mine. This is
No,
mine.
this is not yours.
This is mine and this is 꼼지's.
So we make our muffin like this, and all of you can use these ingredients to make it like this too, to decorate your muffins. What are you doing? Okay, let's try eating it.
How do I eat this?